Let we bring back Jamaica to the land of peace and love and unity, when everybody live as one, when the name Garrison is no longer the funny name again. You think of Jamaica because it named Jamaica mean tourists come, then come because of the roots, with culture, with food, with music, with reggae music, with dancehall music. Then come because with hockey and saltfish, with roast yam and roast bread food, with fried fish, escovitch fish, jerk chicken and jerk pork, with red stripe beer, with Appleton special, with white rum, although you can get it anywhere in the world. But it's not as much fun as when your family them sit down at Jamaica and a drink and feel nice and a laugh or upon the White Sand Beach or a Duns River Fall. Or if them want to go up a Bob Marley museum, them want to go in and when we dance, I'll go listen to some nice conscious reggae music. Whether Bob Marley, Peter Touch, Dennis Brown, Garnick Silk, Luciana, Sizzler, or Capleton. And you don't know we have to big up to the athlete them, Usain Bolt, Shelly and Fraser, Asafa Powell, and all of the top runner them. When me name we no call, big up on yourself, cause we no go on good. Road boy, you remember them days when everybody used to live as one, as unity, run boat in our community. Although sometimes struggling is so real, we can't find not even a pound of flour, we have to sell buckle. But at least the whole of we sit down and eat and drink and feel nice as a friend, as one link. When you look now, politicians just come with the gun and corrupt the youth them, and you take up the gun, road boy, and kill your friend. All you politicians are done. You are not done. You mash up the highland and you not even see that. But come Jamaica, make we live as one. Make we go back to our roots, reality and culture, and we love what we have for our community. Make we take off the name Garrison from out of the name Ghetto. Make we stop and live as one. One love, one link. Let we bring back Jamaica to the land of peace and love and unity, when everybody live as one.